Independent client, customer Gerald. This is a completion video. There is no reorder materials. This is 100% complete. As far as the job, I want to go over a few things though that are going to be second trip maybe as far as after the floors are put in. Here we've got the island installed, got all of our baseboards down, got our support brackets for our granite overhang. Looking at a 13-inch overhang. These are set at 12 inches. They are projected up slightly so that they'll support more weight. Got all of our baseboards on, inside corners. Finished out our outside with our pilasters. Offset those for the overhang on the back. Went ahead and cut the opening for the microwave. This is 14 5/8 by 21 and 5/16. And it's a drawer microwave, so it's actually going to roll in and out. Bottom drawer set is all that's done. Here we got a 24-inch space for the dishwasher. Take a look here. 24, actually about 24 1/8 is what we got left. And then we've got a apron sink in the stainless steel. That's all done. Here, got built in for the drain. All that's in the back of the cabinet. Installed the cutting board tray. Cutting board utilities. It's going to be a little tight on that one. This one here, double rollout. Here we've got a tray with a pull-out rollout. It's a very nice little accessory right there. And then over here on this side, all of the cabinets on these walls are 13 inches deep, 1 inch deeper than standard. Much nicer layout, a bit more room inside of them. Base cabinets here on the sides, left and right. Base cabinets there. Didn't finish anything around the sides of the stove because the stove's going to hide anything there, but everything above is finished. Center line of the wall is exactly the center line of everything, so your tile cuts and everything will all look right. Over here, 40.5 inches for the refrigerator. Plenty of room for the right-hand door to open and close correctly. Both bases here, wall cabinets there. Now these turned out really well. This is a piece that they built for the house, and this is that color sweet tea. And this actually turned out really nice as far as having the cabinets countertop. This actually countertop is from the cabinet company to match the shelves. These are all shelves that we built in place right above it. Floating shelves, but they're wall-to-wall shelves. They're 4.5 inches thick instead of just a little thin inch, 3-inch thin piece. So it looks a lot nicer, a lot sturdier for us putting something on them. All right, so those are the two built-ins in the fireplace. Do notice that they have beams. They're going to stain those beams to match that honey or that sweet tea color. So let's take a look in the laundry room. Okay, laundry room area. Here we got the right-hand side set of drawers. They're going to use a single bowl sink, so the struts didn't have to be removed. Upper boxes on these are actually at 15 inches deep, so really deep as far as the return. All right, so then all the upper cabinets in here are 15 inches deep, so quite a bit more space inside. They've got plenty of room for detergent bottles, things like that. Let's take a look in the guest bath area, 2-bowl sink. It's in a corridor bathroom, so the right-hand side's up against the wall. We allowed for a 1-inch fill on both sides of this one, but the molding package for this house actually was a little bit taller and wider than the standard would have been, and so you're getting a little interference from that molding. Customer knows about that. He's probably going to have the molding guy trim that back at a 45 and retouch that as far as painting, but this again was part of where we measured at frame, and we did not have a molding outline. The molding outline for the entire house is basically just the blocking. This headpiece that you see on all these doors are actually something that we didn't know about. Same thing over here, exactly the same thing. Door here opens there, okay? All the shelves and stuff are in the cabinets. They've got to pull some wires in the backs of those. Take a look at the master bath. Okay, master bath, just a mirror of the guest bath, but had a deeper return to the inside of the wall here. So we didn't have any problems with any of the moldings touching anything. Doors open completely at 90. All your shelves are inside, good shape. Same thing over here, full depth return on this one. So the molding had no problem, come right up to the line out. And as far as that goes, all your shelves and stuff now are in there. All of these are in there. So ready to be used. Center lines on your sinks and stuff, they should be good as far as single bowls without having to remove any of the struts. And base cabinets down here in the bottom have plenty of room. We left 1 inch, even though the taller base is being put in, have 1 inch to the wall. So we have plenty of room for that one to work as well. Go back to the kitchen. All right, a couple of things here in the kitchen that we've done. Color sample in Arctic, left that for the customer. Color sample in Sweet Tea, we left that one. That's the island color and the color over there at the other side. So she's got those 2 samples. Here we've got a few extra handles. All of the handles put on the cabinet, so we got a few extras that came with it. Here you've got the molding, the quarter round molding for the island and the quarter round molding for the kitchen and bath, okay? If you take a look, no floors, so this is definitely gonna have to be installed afterwards. We went ahead and raised all the baseboards by 1/2 inch. So everything's off the floor for the floor to be installed, so no problem there. If we need to do a return trip on that, we can. If not, the flooring people will put it in. So we'll find out from the builder later how that has to go. If you have any questions at all about this, and again, I think that just turned out really nice over there in the island as well. Have any questions about this kitchen, this finish, these cabinets, please feel free to give me a call at 423-650-1051. Have a great day.